Hello guys, today I want to talk to you about image capture and grabbing a photo with your camera. So as you can see, I have a UI here with a capture button and just a photo label right below it. So to get started, all I need to do is actually click the capture and add an action event to that capture entry. So we'll go to NetBeans as you can see, we have this right here. And what I can do is essentially just use the capture class, which allows me to capture all sorts of things from audio to video and obviously photos of different kinds. So to capture a photo, I can just use one of these three methods. The simplest one just captures a photo and places it in a file and gives me the name of the file or a null if the file doesn't exist. The second one is interesting. It returns immediately. As you can see, it returns void. And it will call the action listener later with the string of the file. This is useful but more complicated to invoke and use in general. It allows you to do things asynchronously, which is sometimes more convenient to some people. I think personally this and this method are much simpler. And the last one is an interesting one. It captures the photo just like the first method, but it also scales it after the fact. So you effectively get a photo that is of the given width and given height within your resort. So that is really useful because cameras might capture really large images that might take a lot of memory. So we recommend you don't use or load such images, and usually we recommend using just this method and scaling to something that makes sense. So in this case I'm going to use the display width as the target, and notice I'm giving -1 as the height. That means it will maintain aspect ratio based on the width of the image. And here I can get the image back. And if the image isn't null, which it can be if the user cancels or something like that, then I'll just find the photo and set the icon to my image. And to create the image, all I'll do is image, create image, and give it this. And I'll need to wrap this up with a try catch block like this. No, I said like this. In this particular case, this is obviously an oversimplification, but it should work. Now, one more thing I need to do is get the component form and revalidate, because if I don't revalidate, then this line will effectively do nothing. It will set the icon, but I won't see anything because it will be too small. So to see this in action, I can just play and we'll see the UI that I've created earlier with the capture button. I can press the capture button. You will notice that it just gives me the file dialog, and I can pick the image that I want. This is how it behaves in the simulator. On the device, obviously, it will literally capture an image, and I can pick the image I want. In this particular case, I have screenshots from applications right here, and as you can see, it captured the image. On the device, it will literally capture from the camera. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and learned how to capture images in Codename One. Thank you.